What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of AC Designs Garage. What I have for y'all today is a special treat. A buddy of mine built this cool big block Chevrolet water stove, and we're going to check it out. Alright guys, here's this cool water stove that my buddy built. It's an ingenious design, I think. But it's pretty cool. It sits on top of a wood stove, and you got your regular big block Chevy block and heads and valve curves. It's got some cool zoomies on it that my buddy used to use on his drag boat. It's all for looks, but it's really neat. I hadn't ever seen anything like this before. But I'm going to try to go over how it works. It's a little above my pay grade on all this cool stuff, but he engineered all this and it turned out really good. So basically this is the old water heater that's just used for a storage tank. And I'll show you how it works. Alright, basically the tank fills up and it comes out through this line here, runs through this pump, then the pump feeds into a T on the back and it comes through these pieces of pipe. The water runs through it and it's heating it as it's going up the outside of the wood stove. It does that on both sides, and then it comes out of the pipe and goes into the block, and the water runs through the block carrying the heated water, runs through the block back through the heads. It has exhaust valves in it. Of course they're closed because smoke or water stuff could come out of it. But it has no intake valves, so as the water goes through, it comes back out the heads, comes back through here, runs back over, and then goes back into the top of the tank where it has the heated water. And in right up under the block between the main bearings, there's holes cut in the top of the stove to where all the fumes and the stuff comes out and goes up through the blocks, because there's no crank, no pistons or anything in it. And then it comes out this cool looking tunnel ram right here. And notice it has no dampers down here. It has a thermostat here in the stack, so when it reaches a certain temperature, there's a blower motor back here that kicks on, that stokes the fire, basically like blowing on a fire. It builds the fire up and it gets hotter, and once the thermostat gets to where it wants, it cuts the blower motor off and it settles down. He said he likes to keep it around a 150 degree water temp on it. This thing works really cool. I just want to share this to you guys because I think it's pretty neat. But yeah, the fumes actually exhaust out this tunnel ram up through the stack, and it goes out the roof for the chimney. And over here, these valves run up and go to each one. I think this one goes to the paint booth and this one goes to the main heat of the shop. So when the thermostat inside the unit inside the paint booth gets to where it needs hotter water to go through the coil, this pump kicks on and shoots the hot water up to the coil in the paint booth, and also does the same in the regular heating unit. But right now it needs the temperature to build up, make hotter water, so the fan's on. You can hear it ticking maybe. I don't know if you can hear it through this mic on the GoPro or not. But it's blowing the air in, raising the temperature up so it make hotter water. I figured I'd just share this with y'all guys. I thought it was a really neat thing, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll have to ask him because I'm just a painter. I can't figure this stuff out, but it's a really neat thing. And if you like what you're seeing on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow along on this journey. Basically, this channel is about building hot rods and anything to do with cars, motorcycles, or whatever we have in the shop